on these fenders with a rag and walking home in soggy old shoes. With them steady, depressing, low down mind messing, working at the car wash booth. You know a man of my ability, he should be smoking on a big cigar. But till I get myself straight, I guess I'll just have to wait in my rubber suit, rubber on these cars. Well, all I can